Ubalde official, source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected. Hello, welcome to Ubalde official. Today we are going to study about the safe exam browser, or SEB, which is a specialized web browser that turn your computer into secure exam mode or exam station. It opens simple browser windows that remove navigations or navigation is options and lock your system. You can focus only to exam full complete total. So today we are going to see how the schools, ever you come from Africa, Asia, or Europe, or US, or United States, or America continent, you are invited to watch this video because we are going to study the main configuration of safe exam browser from, as this is part 1 of safe exam browser. We are going to explain what is a general config file, user interface, browser, down and uploads, exam settings, applications, networks, what this exam browser can do, who use it, what does it block, the interface work through, and the main things about on safe exam browser. So welcome again. If it is the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel called Ubalde official. So before to start the safe exam browser, I told you it was a specialized web browser that turn your computer into secure system exam or station exam. It opens simple browser window to remove navigation options and it lock your system so you can focus full on the exam. Means that many scholars in the world need this safe exam browser to use it online system. So who can use this safe exam browser? This is a manual, the official website of a safe exam browser, but now we're going to see who can use safe exam browser. Safe exam browser is used by schools, universities, and other institutions worldwide. Whether you are taking exam at home on your laptop or in your university lab, safe exam browser works to keep the test secure. It integrates with platforms like Moodle, ILIAS, e-learning, OpenOlat, and other online platforms, even Google Form and many other things. So but here we are going to see what safe exam browser can block or can stop using on your computer. When safe exam browser lands, here what gets blocked instantly. Ctrl+Alt+Delete automatically disabled. Task Manager, Alt tab to switch apps. Right click menus, printing the Windows taskbar and start menu. All those functional features must automatically be broken. Your focus is 100% on the exam, no distraction, no escape, no cheating case. Now we are going to see about the interface. You will see the clean browser window with the page exam loaded once you have the running safe exam browser. Navigation button like back, forward, or refresh may be removed depending on the settings. Some versions show toolbar with the safe icons and exam name, or other app system control are hidden or broken, as I told the first. And the option on screen demo move mouse slowly over interface hard to the disabled areas. Even copy and paste it automatically disabled when you configured it well. So next step was this. In this part, as the part 1 of Safe Exam Browser, we are just exploring the basic and interface. In the next video, we dive deep into configuring Safe or Safe Exam Browser by creating secure exam settings, showing how admin control everything using configuration files. That's when it gets real interesting. So now let me show you this part. You see on my screen we have the main tabs. This is a general configure file user interface browser exam and medicine. But let me start on this general tab or general menu. This is the start URL. Here we paste link of our online quiz. You should paste your online Google form link quiz. I will show you how to create online quiz. Yes, this is the administrative password of your configuration, and you can allow user to quit or to quit with password. If no password, you cannot quit your Safe Exam Browser. This is the configuration file. Configuration file is the way you configure and set the password or security systems. This is the user interface. User interface, you see how the exam will or quiz will look in client PC or student PC when running exam or quiz. This is a browser. Which browser is allowed, or how the browser will look in his client or their student clients on Mac and Windows. This is exam configuration here. This is application you can lock or allow switching the third-party application and allows and many things. And also network you can activate URL filtering, and here you add if some URL added means that you cannot run it that URL. And this is a network security. But security, you can ignore services. How to run Safe Exam Browser without services, you can also create it. So these things, all many things, we will create video per video for how to configure Safe Exam Browser. Here, this file. When you finish to configure a file, you should click on Save As or save the settings on the first time, or open in new settings and many things. This is the revert. Revert means that you can reset your configuration, and this is a user settings. You can edit the application or the configure client or configuration the web browser or Safe Exam Browser. So if this video helped you, because the next time I will guide you how to download and install full complete Safe Exam Browser in your computer and start setting up. Wow. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, share with your school, your teachers, and many other institutions that you need to control or make their browser as secure system session. So bye bye. God bless you.